My name is Soji Sonyalu, co-founder, Chief Vision Officer, Airsmart. With data intelligence, we empower farmers to perform better, act faster, and make smarter decisions. With over 1.2 billion people in Africa and $300 billion in food demand, combined with year-on-year decrease in crop yield, there is a problem of food security that will affect these 1.2 billion people on the continent. To solve this problem, Airsmart leverages on data collected from farmland across the continent using the following sources: satellite, drone, and soil level data. In the last 18 months, Airsmart has built amazing AI-powered application platform that serves as a point of aggregation of all the sources of data collected, where it is processed, where it is analyzed, and where we share intelligence with our customers. Airsmart business model is sharing actionable intelligence with farmers for a fee. We have identified agronomies as our indirect competition. Also, technology companies around the world. Our primary market is Africa. Agri-tech market to grow to $22.5 billion from $9 billion by 2025. Though a private profit-driven company, at Airsmart, we're driving the adoption of precision farming in Africa, leading to bountiful yield for farmers and its direct social impact of reduced food costs for the African people. Our go-to-market plan is shown on the slide. Management team. We are raising $1.5 million to hire new employees and scale up our infrastructure. Product story for Airsmart.
Has grown to be a must-have tool for organizations and businesses of any size across all sectors. At Airsmart, our aim is to help businesses harness the power of drone and satellite data.
The value this brings to farmers is to help them notice and act on possible challenges before the time of yield and during the season of harvesting and planting.
In the next 5 years, I see Airsmart becoming a technology which people wouldn't be able to live without, because what we are trying to do is to take out the hard labor of things. So basically, we allow our users to just make use of our platform and automate a lot of things which would have been tasking and take a lot of time. So we'll basically be saving them time, we'll be saving them resources, and we're making their life easy.
I see us helping farmers and other industries in Nigeria, and also moving higher to taking over the whole of Africa.
Thank you.